Easy English idioms you need to know to sound like a native American speaker. Let's go. So Ellie, don't you want to return that book?
What book?
The book that I gave it to you like a month ago?
Oh.
You don't remember? So I'm gonna get my book When Pigs Fly, right?
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna get my book back When Pigs Fly.
What do you mean? Pigs don't fly.
Yeah, so it will never happen. I mean, I will never get my book back. Like, come
I'll
on.
give it back.
You don't.
Stop
like,
it.
You don't even remember. I mean,
You don't have to embarrass me in front of the camera.
no, there's no camera here. Like, where is the camera? And I'm sure that you didn't even read it. Like, did you?
Yeah, 10 pages.
Okay, 10 pages, not good.
Teacher, today I wanna leave the class early.
Hold your horses! Come on, hold your horses.
What?
Sit down. Hold your horses.
What do you mean?
It means wait a
I don't
second.
have a horse.
Yes, I know. But I mean, it means wait a moment. Like,
Hold your horses?
yes, hold your horses. Why do you want to leave the class early? And if you want to do that, just ask me first before the class, not in the middle of the class. Hey, I'm gonna go.
Sorry.
It does not work that way, my friend.
I'm a little nervous.
Why?
Tonight I have a dinner plan.
Really? A dinner party? With your family or with your friends?
Friends?
Okay, so you're the host?
No, but I'm nervous.
Okay, you're not the hostess, so why are you nervous? You just
I don't
want to
know.
go there, just eat
One of my friends,
and leave.
I haven't seen her in 2 years.
Oh,
That's why I'm nervous.
okay. So you want to buy a gift for her?
No,
I
I
think-
hope she doesn't. She doesn't too.
Okay, so you have to buy a gift. I think after 2 years, you should buy like.
I don't know. We are not that close.
So why are you nervous?
I don't know.
So Ellie, you have a driving test tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Break a leg.
What?
Break a leg.
What do you mean?
It means good luck.
Break a leg?
Yes, don't
Really?
break that like guy's leg.
Yeah, I
Yeah, but it
thought
means
you mean this.
good luck. You can be
Break a leg.
lucky.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's not thank you, it's thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, better. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, what's up with today's weather? I mean, at the morning it was raining cats and dogs, and right now it's sunny.
It was what?
The morning it was raining cats and dogs. Means it was raining very hard. Yeah.
Raining cats.
Yeah,
and
raining
dogs?
cats and dogs. Not cats and dogs like from the heaven, no.
It's a weird idiom.
Yeah, it is, but you can use it a lot. I mean, they use it in the US a lot.
It's raining cats
Yeah.
and dogs.
Like raining cats and dogs.
Tonight is rainy.
Really, as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so I heard that tomorrow gonna be like
Sunny, cloudy, I guess.
no, snowy, I think. Yeah,
Really?
I heard that
That's great.
tomorrow gonna be snowy, yes. And we're gonna have like
I
our
can-
own snowman.
I can build a snowman, yeah.
Yeah, I want to do that. Like, but I mean, the last time I did it, it was like 14 or 15 years ago.
Really?
Yeah, it was a
I did
long
it-
time ago.
1 or 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Okay. No, like these days, I don't have that energy. You know what? I mean, when we were a kid, I mean, you still are a kid. But when I was a kid, like everything was beautiful. I don't know if it is the same for you or
Yeah,
not, but
of
when
course.
I was a kid, I mean, everything was colorful.
Yeah.
Like everything was bright. I mean, you could
Exactly.
see the energy inside our memories. When I'm thinking about those days, I don't know, it's because of like days passing or what, but when I'm thinking about those days, oh my God, those glamorous days.
Yeah. It was so shiny and beautiful.
Yeah, so beautiful.
Good
Okay.
old days.
Yeah, good old days. Yeah, exactly. So tomorrow gonna be snowy, I think. I hope.
That's great.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Okay, I heard you're seeing someone.
No.
Yes, let the cat out of the bag. Come on, tell me.
What?
Let the cat out of the bag.
What do you mean?
It means reveal the secret.
Let the
Reveal the
cat
secret. Yes,
out
let
of
the
the
cat out of the
bag.
bag. Okay, but tell me, what's his name? Or
I
her
don't know
name?
what you're talking about.
I'm talking about that guy that your friend
No.
told me that Ellie is seeing.
What was that friend? Who was that?
Her name starts with S.
She's a liar.
Okay, but I heard that you're seeing someone. You know, if you don't want to tell me, it's okay, but don't think that, hey, like,
I don't know what you're talking about.
okay,
I'm here to learn something.
you do know, come on.
I'm here to learn something.
Yeah, okay, but you should share these things with your teacher. I mean, I can help you
I
to
should
have.
share these things with my therapist.
Yes, so because you don't have a therapist right now, you don't see your therapist like weekly,
Yeah.
you can share these things with me.
Oh,
I mean,
thank you.
this is the best therapy session. And you can just talk with your therapist. I mean, what does your therapist gonna do? I mean, she's gonna like sit here and listen to you. I can do the same. I can be a good listener, okay?
And it's free, right?
It's free, totally free.
Okay.
And yes, you
It's an
can.
English class, it's a therapy
Yes,
session.
philosophy class, everything. I mean,
my God.
combined together.
Don't lose this channel.
I haven't had sleep last night, and
Why?
I think I had a rash. I mean, my skin, and yeah, I was scratching all day, and I couldn't sleep last night.
Oh my God.
So right now I'm sleepy. I think after the class I have to hit the sack.
Hit the what?
Hit the sack. It means I have to go to sleep.
Hit the sack?
Yeah, I have to go to bed. Yeah, after the class I'm gonna do that.
Hit the sack.
And right now I drank like 3 coffee from the morning. Yeah.
Oh,
And
teacher.
two coffee
That's not
pills.
healthy.
And 2 coffee pills. Like these small pills. Like 2 of them. And 3 like espresso.
Are you good?
I'm great. But still sleepy. Like
Pills and coffee.
it's coffee, not cafe.
I
We
know.
go to a cafe and we
To
drink
a
coffee.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know that.
You didn't. I just teach you that.
I don't want to end my sentence.
Okay. So, yeah. Is it latte or latte?
Latte.
It's latte in American accent, but people in Europe, some people in Europe say latte. So if you're
I heard them
learning,
both.
yeah, if you're learning like American accent, it's better to say latte. It's not latte, it's latte. Like,
Latte.
yeah. So remember my old car?
Yeah.
It finally kicked the bucket.
What?
It finally kicked the bucket.
Kick the bucket.
Yeah,
What
kicked
do
the
you
bucket.
mean?
It's dead.
Oh, why are you
Died.
happy?
Because
Kick the bucket.
I just get to have a new car.
Ah.
Yeah, that's why I'm happy. I want to buy like a silver car, like a Mercedes. A silver Mercedes, yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, it is my favorite color.
Silver
Gray
is great.
and silver. And
What about
white.
black.
No, I don't
Black is more.
Yes, black is good, but some things, hey, it's important if you're talking about your favorite color, like for dress, for sock, for pants, for house, for like interior design for a car. It's different. Like
Yeah.
we have like different favorite colors.
Yeah.
For car,
I
I
love
want
blue, but-
yeah.
But I can't buy a blue car.
Yeah, so yeah, there is that. Let me confess something.
What?
I don't know why, but during the past 2 years, I hate being in public.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, it's because nowadays I'm so, like, I don't know. But like tonight, I'm visiting a bunch of people. And they're new. I haven't met them, just except one of
It's a
them.
big step.
Yeah. So tonight I have to bite the bullet and meet them.
You have to what?
I have to bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Bite the bullet. It means I have to do something difficult and hard. So I have to endure and like be there and
Don't be sad.
be
It's a
like
good.
I have to smile. It's not good. I mean,
It is.
yeah. I mean, yeah, it was for me. I mean, I was like extroverted, like as hell, but during the past 2 years,
Yeah.
I became like introverted. I don't know why, but right now, the introverted me can't stand the idea of meeting these new people, right? So this is not easy for me. So I have to bite the bullet, my friend. It's like,
Good for you.
yeah. It's like if you shoot me, like with your gun, shoot me, I take your bullet and I'm biting it like this, exactly.
That's a great idiom.
Yeah. I have to meet them, but I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk. I mean, I can
You
like
what?
stand it and visit them, meet them. Like
You don't have to what?
I don't have to cry over spilled milk.
Spilled milk?
Yeah, it's like I'm drinking milk and spilled, so I'm not gonna cry about it. Yeah, so what's done is done. I'm gonna leave it, I'm not gonna think about it, and I'm gonna see the future. And I'm gonna think that, hey, I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna be strong. You see, people don't know this, but you get angry and sad and mad when you don't expect something.
Yeah.
When you expect everything that, hey, it's gonna be bad, I'm gonna be
We're gonna be
devastated.
ready for it.
Yeah, we're gonna be ready for it. So we're not gonna get sad and mad. So tonight, because I'm expecting these like new things for me, I'm not gonna get sad. I'm gonna be like smiling like this. Okay, nice to meet you too.
Yeah, great.
And deep down, I'm like, hey, 4 hours left. Hey, 3 hours left.
No,
hey,
teacher,
10
don't
minutes
think
left.
like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna just like endure
It's
it.
a good thing.
I
to
can't
happen.
enjoy it because they all teenagers. They all like younger than me, and I can't like connect with younger generations. I don't know
Me too.
why. Yeah, I just can't stand the idea of being in public, like with teenagers, and I'm getting a rash. I think because of that.
Don't think about it.
Yeah,
a
I think
lot.
my
Just
last night.
face with it.
Yeah, my last night rash was because of this. I don't know. I was like scratching myself a lot, and I'm gonna see a doctor tonight, like before the meeting. Yeah. Okay, but
That's
life
good.
is good. Life is happy. I'm happy, and everything is beautiful. Yes, everything is beautiful, and I'm gonna go bananas. I'm gonna go bananas.
What do you mean?
Go bananas means go crazy.
Really?
Yeah, hey, go
It's a
bananas.
real idiom?
Yes, it is. And
I'm gonna go
and,
banana?
and people in the US, they use it a lot. I mean,
It's my favorite idiom.
yeah, go bananas. Like,
Go bananas.
yeah, like tonight, I'm gonna go bananas. Like, I'm gonna do the things, like exciting things
After
that
today, I'm gonna go bananas every day.
every day, yes. I mean,
Gonna
I
go
never did. I'm gonna do these things that I never did before. So, hey, let's go bananas
Let's
together.
go bananas.
Yeah. I wonder, do we have any idioms for apples, oranges, grapes, pomegranate.
That would be
I'm gonna go.
delicious.
Yeah. I'm gonna go
And
pineapple.
interesting.
For example, I'm gonna go coconut. I'm gonna go
Lemon
cocoa.
lime.
Lemon lime. Yeah. I'm gonna go cocoa. I think it means I'm gonna go crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cuckoo. That's cuckoo, not cocoa.
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
It's a bird.
Yeah. No,
That
it's the
sounds
sounds
like
of the
coo.
bird. Yeah, it's the
I
sound
know.
of the bird. Okay.
I meant
Okay.
that.
Okay. It.
I went
There's
bananas.
yeah, you went bananas. But I was telling you, hey, there's an actress, not actor, Kaylee Cuckoo, I think. Kaylee Coco, Kaylee Cuckoo, I don't know. She was playing in Big Bang Theory.
Ah.
Yeah,
Cool.
like Amy. No, not Amy. What was the name of that actress? I forgot.
The wife of what?
Leonard.
Penny?
Penny, yes, thank you. Yeah, these days I'm watching Big Bang Theory like 5 episodes a day, and I don't remember Penny. I don't know why. Yeah,
That's okay.
Kaylee Cuckoo. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel, and tell me in the comments if you have any questions. I'm gonna reply. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.